Jason Aldean, Got What I Got, brand new one. This is a cool song. It's very simple, 3 chords, and I'll show you the verse and then into the chorus, and they're very similar, but it's got a couple little hits on the chorus. By the way, if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe. I really appreciate it, and hit me up if you got any questions or comments. So this song is capoed on the 4th fret. So you got your capo up here, and I'm going to call out the chords accordingly. The verse goes G, A, B minor. It just rings out. Okay, so G, A, B minor. Does that a bunch of times in the verse feel. And then the way you can tell you're in a chorus, it goes. And that's basically a little B minor look, and I'll break it down for you. If you want the complete blueprint for this song, including the tabs, chords, and more, go to jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's completely free, and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier. So you got your B minor chord here, bar on the 2nd fret up from the capo, and this looks like an A minor here, you know this chord. And this little move is pretty simple. You just take your 3 fingers here that you're making the B minor chord with, and you go. And what that essentially is you're going from a B minor to an A, B minor to an A. But that's the lick that differentiates the chorus from the verse. So the verse is just kind of G, B minor, kind of mellow. Time to go to the chorus. How does that look? So it doesn't do that every time in the chorus. It does it just at the turnaround. So you can listen for that, but it's like. That's what differentiates the chord from the chorus from the verse, and that's pretty much it. It's a really basically simple song. It's all about the delivery. Okay, so once again, Got What I Got, 4th fret capo, Jason Aldean. Can't go wrong with Jason. We'll see you down the road.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll! Rock and roll! Stay awesome and rock and roll!
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.